most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Good morning, everybody. Well, we're almost to the weekend, and we are going to start to see that heat and humidity creep back in. But as we look ahead, I do think some signs are pointing to the fact that maybe some storm chances are looking less for the weekend, and we certainly hope so. This is Waynesboro and the high school here looking good. It's quiet, but we still have some pesky clouds around this morning. There's also a little bit of a breeze happening right now at Waynesboro. We can tell there from the American flag, and we could tell those clouds are around here on the satellite. Now, they're warm clouds, they're low clouds, so a lot of them are not being detected, but some of them are, and we can see them shifting here from the north to the south. So we do anticipate a pretty nice day, but I think like yesterday, we get morning clouds, they will burn off to sunshine, and then it's going to heat up nicely this afternoon. 72 now in Chambersburg, 70 in York, low 70s in Harrisburg, Lebanon 68 in Lancaster. So again, these numbers are on par with yesterday, but slightly warmer, which makes sense because we were slightly warmer yesterday than we were on Tuesday. So the temperatures are trending upward, and the dew points continue to trend upward now. The low humidity that we saw, it's moving to the north and east. So Philly, Allentown, New York, still pretty comfortable. Around here, dew points trending now into the mid to upper 60s, and that is going to add to the mugginess. So 84 yesterday, a little cooler than I thought it was going to be, but still warmer than Tuesday. Today's record high, 96, set back in 2001. We will be in the 90s, but I think that record is safe. Here's the Shippensburg Fair continuing here as we move throughout the week. This is Fair Week across central Pennsylvania, many of them ongoing, including the South Mountain Fair and, of course, the York State Fair and the Lebanon Area Fair. Highs today at the fairs near 90. Good day for a lemonade or a slush as we head to the fair later on. High pressure in control here. It is going to continue to be warm, but as we mentioned, stormy conditions do return this weekend. There's some storms here out of the Midwest, which you can see, but the question is, how bad is it going to be? And right now, things are trending in the opposite direction. So that's some good news. Now today, after the clouds burn off, lots of sunshine. We should remain storm-free. Tomorrow, a better chance of storms. I think there will be some stray thunderstorms tomorrow evening. So if you have plans Friday night, heads up. Probably going to get at least the opportunity to see a storm tomorrow. Not everywhere, but they will be around. Now, Saturday, same deal. Look at this, though. We head even past 6 o'clock, and storm coverage looks very spotty. So will there be storms this weekend? Yes. Are they going to be widespread? It doesn't seem so. Highs around 90 degrees here this afternoon. Tonight, warm and muggy. We stay in the 70s. And then looking ahead to Friday, we can see, I think the heat is going to peak tomorrow. A lot of us are going to be in the mid-90s. Heat index values tomorrow likely soaring into the triple digits. Tomorrow is going to be an uncomfortable day. So as we wrap up the York State Fair heading into the weekend, the trend is certainly for the fair to end on a very hot note, and that would include this heat wave. So 90 today, a stray thunderstorm tomorrow, and again on Saturday, both days featuring highs in the 90s. So fair week, we've been treated with pretty good weather. It's been dry, it's been comfortable, but it's going to end as we go back into the muck. So check it out. Notice the dew points trending higher today, but really humid as dew points go into the 70s again, heading into the weekend and early next week. It's not until next Thursday that we see a front that may actually deliver a nice shot of weather heading into early August. But look at the weekend again. There's plenty of moisture to work with. I'm just not sure we're going to have a lot of forcing until maybe Sunday. That still looks to me like the best chance of storms. We dry out a little bit early next week, but we will mention a stray thunderstorm. We're going to be sort of on the outside looking in. And then Thursday, here comes the front. And watch what happens here by late next week and next weekend. We get a surge of drier air in here that I think is going to change the pattern again. So Sunday, there's the front. A little drier Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I still think there's going to be some storms around. Thursday, a major cold front comes through, likely next week, and then that pushes some drier air in here by the first weekend of August. So some changes will come, but not for the next week or so. 90 degrees today, morning clouds again, some afternoon sunshine, 74 tonight, mostly clear. It is going to be a muggy night, and then we're back to the muck. Look at this, 96 tomorrow, hot and humid through the weekend, 90 on Saturday, both days featuring the opportunity for a storm. We look ahead, and temperatures pretty much staying near 90. This will be another prolonged heat wave for us. We may see highs dip just below that on Sunday, but next week, I don't see anything crazy. I don't think we're going to see the flash flooding concerns and the daily deluges, but there will be some storm chances heading into next week. And then I think we get some relief by the end of next week. So stay tuned on that. But another hot forecast for us.
It sure is. All right. Thank you, Brett. We'll be right back.